carried the cloud for so long. I am afraid it will never give way for the sun to shine.
My king, this is their time. Why speak of the moon?
The great masquerade is about to be unveiled in the marketplace.
Strange are your riddles, my king.
Strange is the condition here. No work. The moon will never allow the sun to shine again. I am weak. My ancestors are calling.
Not yet, my king. You will get well and be back on your feet again. Your bravery, your power, your glory and valor will still reign through the four seas of Amago and even beyond. You will sit on your throne like before. Remember, you are the tiger, Agumba one of Amago. The tiger only retreats but never surrenders.
I always love your courage. No work. Keep it up. It will help the future throne of our great kingdom. Where is my children? Didn't you people send my message across?
I did, Your Highness. I did.
Then where are they? More especially my son Ikenna, who has been in the United States for over 12 years without coming back. I need to talk with him. He is the heir apparent to the throne. I need to see him. He's the one to succeed from me. He's the one. In fact, the throne of this kingdom lies on his shoulder. He must be back.
That is true, Your Highness. The Queen said he will be back in few days.
That is the most wonderful news I have heard lately. Please, prepare a befitting feast to celebrate his return, according to our tradition.
We shall do accordingly, my king.
And make sure the fattest cows are slaughtered for the merriment.
As you have said, so shall it be done, my king.
Koronta.
Mama?
I came so that we can talk, no?
Okay, Mama.
Koronta, how old are you now?
Mama, I'm 33.
33 years. I googled you for a boy, till 33. And you don't even have a house of your own. A roof that you call it is your own, except for this my father's old building. No wife, no child, or children, as the case may be. How long will you continue to run away from all these responsibilities? Tell your mother.
Mama, it's not that I'm running away. Mama, just that things are not better yet for me. You know, taking up this responsibility comes with financial challenges, Mama. And you know that I don't have money now. You know that. You know that I don't have money.
Because you chose not to. Because you chose not to. See, this your music is very melodious, is beautiful, is very sweet. But it cannot put food on your table. It does not. Talk less of carrying you to a brighter future. You're going to turn away from this and find something responsible to do that will give you money. So that you have a future.
Mama, my music career is not the cause of our problem. Mama, it's only a great talent from God. And I know with time it will lead me to my destiny. Mama, patience is all I need from you. Please, when Didi?
Didi? No child, no wife, no children, nothing. When I'm lowered, what will happen? Because listen to the cry of your mother. Listen to my cry, I beg you. Please.
Mama, please stop crying, Mama. Mama, don't cry. Mama, you know how much it hurts me to see you cry. Please, I will do something about it. I will do something about what you said. Yes, I will take care of it, Mama.
Are you going to bring me a wife tomorrow?
Mama, I said I will do something. Please, stop crying. Mama, Glass, let me sing for you, right? Mama, and the man, no yo, Nama. Mama, and the man, no yo, Nama. Mama, and the man, no yo, Nama. Mama, and the man, no yo, Nama.
It is indeed sad, very sad, that Amago has lost her foundation. This stem that holds her branches. Today we mourn a hero, a colossus, a philanthropist, a legend, a king worthy of the crown of Amago. He may have left us physically, but his spirit still lives on with us. Even our generation unborn.
That's a consolation for everybody.
May the gods favor him in the land of our ancestors. It is true he left us, but not without consolation. Not without a hero born of his blood. Indeed, we have an heir to continue from where he stopped. Even as we mourn the late king, may we at the same time celebrate the return of our prince. Prince Ikenea, the strength of his father.
Oh, yes.
He has been living abroad for many years. And it is the king's last wish that will celebrate his return in a grand style.
Oh, yes.
As I'm talking to you now, he is on his way from the airport. Yes. To take up the mantle of leadership as tradition demands. So we shall proceed to the palace and await his arrival.
Why the hell is she dancing with the short man?
There's no problem. They're all here for you.
No, she's trying to get me jealous. I don't like
No,
it.
it's okay. It's okay.
How you doing? How you doing? You're good. Good, Prince. You're what? Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Oh, yes, yeah, we're doing it.
Great Prince is back. Yeah. He's a great prince. We are happy.
My children, now that the burial of your father is over, Amanda, I want you to get prepared. You are going back to the States to continue with your studies, to ensure that we achieve your father's dream of having you people get well educated. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
Ikenna, you are going to be here. You are going to be here to take care of this kingdom as the next king of Amago, as our tradition demands. Amanda, I also want you to be very careful. I want you to remain a good girl you are, especially now your brother is not going with you over to the state to take care of you as your big brother.
I will not disappoint you, Mom.
Thank you.
Mom?
Yes?
I think I have better things to do in the States than to sit down here to become king. It's fucking boring, trust me. It makes me want to sleep off.
Ikenna.
Huh?
There is nothing greater than being endowed with the crown and staff of kingship. Yes. Anyway, you don't have a choice. It's a legacy you must follow.
You're so beautiful, Ada, onye mobi mo. You're so beautiful, Ada, ajaluga mobi mo. Enyego kwangu bimo, enyego kwangu bimo. Modima modizenja Ocharugo mobimo Omalichamo Enyego kwango bimo. She no get this, she no get that. She no sabi cook, she no sabi wash. I no send them Enyego kwango bimo. She no too tall, she no too short. She no fair, she is this and that. I no send them Enyego kwango bimo. Amalichamo, Enyego kwango bimo. Abawa kwala bimo, abawa kwala bimo. Makenyego kwango bimo, oh bimo. Amalichamo, okolo tana pwaginebu.
Oh, Karam.
Adam.
Obimi Bugom.
Thank you.
You've killed me.
Thank you.
Obimi, you don't know how happy and excited I feel each time you play this song for me. It makes me so relaxed and
Thank
happy.
you.
Hey, that reminds me, you made me so proud the other day at the welcome ceremony of the prince. Even the white lady's excitement could testify to that.
Oh, you mean the white lady? Oh, the prince white lady. She's funny indeed. Ada, I know you were jealous that time she heard me.
No, of course now. Kono ya bro. I was jealous now. You know I love you so much and I will not stand and watch another woman take you away from me.
Ada, you belong to me. No woman will ever come in between us. As long as you're mine and mine alone.
It's a question.
Adam, sure.
Okay, I'll be yours and yours alone.
Yes. Ada, you see, sometimes I am scared. I am scared that all these rich guys in the city will come home and snatch you away from me. You know you're very beautiful and attractive.
Obin, don't worry yourself, okay? No man on earth will snatch me away from you. Not even the richest man in Amago. I am yours.
Hey, Adam. Hey, Adam. That's why I love you.
I love you.
Adam, that reminds me. I bought something for you.
Are you serious?
Yes, from the money I got during the welcoming ceremony. You will like it.
Thank you.
Wait, let me get it.
Okay. Perfume?
Yes, Ada.
No, this one is bad. Don't open it yet. When I get to the house, I'll test it. It will be my size. Thank you so
You like
much.
it?
I love them. Thank you. I have to be on my way now because my father might be looking for me.
Why?
Please let me go. I don't want him to go. Oh? I'll come back. I love you.
I'll see you later.
Adamo, Ada. You're so beautiful, Ada. Onye mobimo. You're so beautiful, Ada.
Elders of Amago, I greet you all. According to our customs and tradition, Prince Ikenna here will ascend the throne of his fathers as the next king Omenoko in the next 3 market days. After he must have picked a bride in this kingdom to be crowned alongside with him on his coronation.
What the hell did you say?
I said you're going to pick a bride here to be crowned as Lolo.
Nigga, what the hell you talking about, man? But you already know I came with my wife Tatiana from the States. What the hell you gonna tell me? I'm gonna pick some blah 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 shit.
Who's Tatiana?
Nigga, I said Tatiana. I didn't say no Tatiana shit.
I guess he meant that woman that he came with.
Tofiakwa. White what? A stranger, especially white woman, can never assume the position of law in Amago. It is a taboo. Tofia, Aro, never.
Whoa. You niggas are cracking me up, man. What the hell, man? I love Tatiana and she's gonna be my Lala, man. That's what's up, man.
It will be a variation of our tradition, my prince.
My prince, I understand very well that you love her. No one is disputing that. And no one is stopping you from taking her as a wife. All we are saying is that you pick any woman of your choice. A woman whom the blood of Amago runs in her veins. She is the one to be crowned Lolo, as tradition forbids crowning a stranger the Lolo.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Are you trying to tell me that your freaking tradition has no respect for love?
Of course it does. That's why you are never forbidden from keeping your white woman as your wife. Now listen, my prince. There are a lot of young women endowed with unique beauty here in Amago. More than even those in America.
Yes.
Just pick any of them as your bride to be crowned on your coronation. You can still go ahead and marry your Tatana or whatever she's called. As a king, you are entitled to as many concubines and wives as you wish. You can pick more than 2. You can pick 3. As you please. My king, with wisdom, you can even defeat a furious tiger.
Well, are you trying to tell me that I can get married to as much women as I want?
Yes.
Before being married to Tatiana?
Exactly.
That's what's up, bro! Nigga, I feel you, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what's up. Listen, no disrespect, man. I believe you. I feel you right now. That's what's up. Yeah, that's what's up, man. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm game.
You say now, my prince is now as brave as his father.
Yeah.
So we'll now start making arrangements for his bride selection.
Yeah, that's what's up.
I hope you're
all right. Thanks a lot, man. I don't even know. Yeah, I'm okay. Like, let's get married.
Ada baby. Ali baby. You look very beautiful this time around.
Ada, what happened now? I didn't see you yesterday again.
Please don't be offended, eh? You know how my mother behaves. She was on my leg, sending me from this place to this place. Don't be offended, eh?
Are you sure it was your mother? But you went to see Okoro, your lover?
Please go, John. This your hair is very beautiful. Who made it for you?
Agnes.
Hey, this is very sharp. This is too much now. The hair is very fine, sharp.
Thank you. But you have not heard about what? That all the maidens of Amagu will assemble at the palace tomorrow for the prince to choose a bride. And I just had to go and make my hair. I cannot miss out this opportunity.
Well, as a friend, I wish you luck. For me, I don't think I'll be going there because I am now engaged with my Okoro. What's funny?
Again, I'm talking. You are very funny. We're here talking about the prince. And you're talking about that wretch, that common village entertainer that can't even take care of his blind.
Biko, Oluchi, Biko. Don't insult my Koronta like that. Biko, Achome.
Well, my dear, I will not let this golden opportunity slip through my fingers.
It's good for you now.
My hair is made. I must attend that occasion.
Well, like I said before, I wish you luck. For me, I am not going because I am not searching. Achotagom. Let me go, Joe. My mother will be waiting for me. I'll see you later. Oh?
No problem. Yeah, thank you.
Take care.
Okay, greet your mommy for me. Oh.
Okay, I'll come later.
This orange is sweet. But look at it from the outside.
This doesn't look it.
It looks like those ones that bite at the cheeks.
Yes. You've really tried today. My daughter, you've really tried today.
Easy, easy, take it easy.
Well done, oh.
Where's the bone one? Great to have you.
I'm coming to dish your food now, okay? I know you must be very hungry. But first, go inside the house. You will see a nylon bag. There's a new dress that I bought for you for a special occasion, okay?
Yes,
you're going to wear it. Go inside, wear it, come out for me and your father to see how it looks on you.
Mama, are you serious? Yeah. You bought me a new dress.
Hi, Snakey.
Take it easy. Don't enjoy yourself, oh. There's a bone one. You know? That girl is well trained. You know, in some families, those who are adas, so mess up that they drag the name of the family to the mud.
What do you think?
I didn't expect anything less.
Oh my God.
My daughter is an epitome of beauty. Just look at it.
Papa, thank you so much. Mama, thank you. I like the dress. It's very fun.
I'm very happy you like it. But now you go inside, pull it, and keep it very well for the special occasion you're going to wear it for tomorrow. Okay?
Oh yes.
Which occasion, Mama?
Okay. You'll be going to the palace with this cloth tomorrow. The prince is choosing a bride. In fact, all the young girls of Amago are gathering for the prince to make a choice from.
Exactly.
You are lucky to have been chosen by the Ono amongst the few selected. And I'm sure that if you appear in this cloth tomorrow, the prince will be charmed by your beauty.
Exactly.
Papa, I'm not interested though.
What did I just hear you say?
Mama, I said I'm not interested.
Why? Why?
I'm in love with Okoro.
Okogini?
Okoronta.
Gini? Aka God awa aka ekwensu. Okoro? That akabo. That hooligan. If I hear you mention his name again in my compound, I not only disown you, but I slaughter you as a person. Look at you. You know about? See, from today, I don't want to see him an inch around you. Nothing near you.
Papa, you don't...
Shut up your mouth! Shut up!
No, don't mind her.
Go in there now and pull up that cloth.
I love you.
Prepare for tomorrow's event in the palace. Stupid girl.
Don't mind her, please. Now come and sit down.
Look at the girl we were praising earlier. Now I'm messing up.
Can I have your attention, please? You see, I don't like to talk too much, so I'll just go straight to the point. Understood? I can see lots of village girls here, but trust me, I am not moved. You know why? Because I've seen lots of beautiful women in my life. So I've decided to set up a dance competition. That's why you're here. Whoever dances better than the other person is gonna be my wife. And not just my wife, but the future queen of this kingdom. So he's gonna ask them to play some local music, because I can see all of you are local girls. So we're gonna do it the local way. Because if I ask him play some hip hop, you ain't gonna dance hip hop shit for me, alright? So you gonna play some local shit, so you gonna do some local dance there. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Alright, tell them to do it.
Yeah. You have heard from the prince.
No.
No work. Ndebu. Yana yebu.
don't know what to say, man. I'm short of words. But I must tell y'all, you guys are amazing dancers, man. I enjoyed myself. But I'm gonna have to pick 3 of you to dance again. You, come out. You. And you, come out. And you, the light-skinned lady, come here. Yeah, you, come on. Come on. You wonderful dancers, but I had a problem with choosing, alright? So you're gonna have to dance again for me. So, music!
settle for Ada. Is she more beautiful than I am? Never. Ada can never be crowned. After all, I was the one that informed her of the prince's bride selection. My God. She has marred my chances. I won't let this happen. I can't submit myself to Ada when she finally wears the crown. What do I do? The introduction is already going on. Something must be done.
Okoro! Okoro, Baba! Okoro!
Ollie. How are you? I'm fine. This one is just my house. Hope I'm safe.
You're safe.
Come and sit.
I'm fine. It's about Ada.
Ada? What happened to her? Is she okay?
I know that she did not tell you. But as we speak, Ada is getting married to the prince.
Ada?
Yes.
My own Ada?
Yes. In fact, as we are here talking now, the prince and his royal protocol, they have gone to her father's house to pay her dowry.
No. Ollie, you're lying.
I have told you. Do something before it's too late. Do something before it's too late.
My own Ada? Ollie!
Amago Guano! Amago Guano! Guano! Where's Guano? As you all can see, I'm overexcited, overjoyed. Who could have believed that the gods of the land will find favor in me in this great measure? I am happy. Prince, I'm happy with you for finding pleasure in my daughter, Ada. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Amago Kweno! Kweno! Kwezono!
Having come to an understanding, we shall make arrangement for traditional marriage as soon as possible, since the coronation is fast at hand.
There's a boy out there by name of Koronta. He was coming in with a machete, but we denied him entrance.
That boy is a lunatic. If you allow him here, he will come and cause havoc. Send him away because he's dangerous.
Whoa. What the hell is going on here, man?
Please, Prince, sorry for the intrusion. Go and send him away.
You heard the man. Go send him away. What are you looking at me, man?
Tupia! Tupia can't go down. Imagine a lunatic coming to disrupt this beautiful ceremony. Don't give him a chance. Anyu maru ni to for nubo. Anyu maru. You need for to nubo. Honestly. Yes, the boy Yabawa. He is deranged. Please, like I said earlier, please. I apologize.
It's alright, no problem,
brother. As I was saying before, we were rudely interrupted. That this time around, we are going to be faster.
Thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it. Right? So I'll see y'all later, right? Take care. After you. Alright, take care, y'all. Peace, y'all. Peace, y'all. Take care. Bye.
Adamo, Ada. You're so beautiful, Ada. onye mobi mo. You're so beautiful. Ada, ajalugo mobi mo. Enyego kwangu bimo. Enyego kwangu bimo. Modima modizenja. Ajalugo mobi mo. Omalichamo. Enyego kwangu bimo. She no get this, she no get that. She no sabi cook, she no sabi wash. I no send them. Enyego kwangu bimo. She no too tall, she no too short. She no fair, she is this and that. I no send them. Enyego kwangu bimo. Amalichamo, enyego kwango bimbo. Abawa kwala bimbo, abawa kwala bimbo. Makenyego kwango bimbo, oh bimbo. Amalichamo, okolo tana kwa kinebu.
Yo, take it easy, man. That shit costs money.
It's okay.
Fuck you.
Anyo buna chini siganya Ekwe kwa nakafa mebie Ife mujesu nike Adamu Enye kukwangu Abawa kwa lobimu Enye kukwangu
Baby, who's she?
She know
Tatiana, you gotta calm down. I can explain.
Don't give me that. Who is she?
Okay, her name is Ada. She's supposed to be my queen according to the African tradition.
Tradition? I don't get it. Huh. What about me? I thought you said I'm gonna be your queen.
Yeah, I know I said that, you know, but I'm really sorry. Things are done differently in Africa. You know, I have to get married to her to be king. It's not my fault.
That's a bullshit. That was not the agreement we had before I followed you to your country. Listen, I am not ready to share my man with any woman. Not this thing here. Huh?
I know, but baby, it's just like getting married to a white woman to get your papers. Here, I have to get married to her to become king. So it's not my fault. But baby, please calm down. I can explain.
Calm down.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm fed up with this whole shit. Yeah, I'm leaving this country this minute.
You don't have to leave. Try to understand what I'm trying. Let me just take it.
Enyego kwangu bimo Modima modizenja Acharugo mobimo Omalichamo Enyego kwangu bimo She no get this, she no get that. She no sabi cook, she no sabi wash. I no send them Enyego kwangu bimo She no too tall, she no too short. She no fair, She is this and that, I no send them. Enge go kwan go bimo. Ada amali jamo. Enge go kwan go bimo. Abawa kwan bimo.
All I'm saying is that now you have been crowned the king. You have to stay more often within the kingdom to oversee the affairs of this kingdom. We need your presence very much. Traveling out of the country will not be in the best interest of this kingdom.
Shut the hell up, you old man. What give you the right to talk to me like that anyway? I'm your king. So I'm not going to tolerate anyone who tries to challenge my orders or try to order me around. Have I made myself clear to you?
Yes, Your Highness.
I can't hear you monkeys. Have I made myself clear to you?
Yes, Your Highness.
Now henceforth, you're not going to come here uninvited. In other words, I have to invite you first before you come here. I don't want your opinions no more. Have I made myself clear to you?
Yes.
What the hell did you say?
Agwo no nakreka, agwo no nakreka.
What the hell does that mean? Some carry shit, right?
Yes, Your Highness.
Oh. Are you trying to insult me?
No, Your Highness, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're trying to insult me, right? Some carry shit? What the hell is carry shit? What the? Get those niggas out of here! Move! I said move! Get the fuck out of here, man! Get the fuck out of here! Get the... Get the fuck out of here! What is that? Sorry.
Ikenna. Ikenna. Why? Your father and I sent you to America to better your future. Why are you doing this? Ikenna, I am disappointed. I am highly disappointed. And same with your father, wherever he is.
You know what I call this?
No, Your Highness.
I call this respect. Somebody say respect.
Respect.
Somebody say respect.
Respect.
Nigga, I didn't say respect. Nigga, fuck you, man. I said respect. Somebody say respect.
Respect.
When you do like this, you fucking get respect. When you fucking do like this, nigga, you get respect.
Your Highness, please. You should put it here, Your Highness. This is my family. Your Highness, better take it.
Nigga, stand the fuck up. Nigga, drop your fucking swords, man. You ain't gonna get no respect with that. Are you trying to kill a rat? Now somebody say respect.
Respect.
Somebody say respect.
Respect.
Nigga, fuck you. That's not how to hold a gun, man. Nigga, you hold this shit like this. Anyone who violates my order, I'm gonna shoot myself. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Highness.
Do you understand?
Yes, Your Highness.
If you violate my order, I'm gonna shoot you my fucking self. Now that's respect. Now somebody say respect.
Respect.
Somebody say respect.
Respect.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about respect here. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? Have you lost your mind? Nigga, what's your fucking problem?
God, I'm fucked. I'm just living like a slave in this damn place. I regret everything. I regret ever getting married that beast. Damn.
Get lost! Get lost! Get lost! Come back! We're going for a walk. Open the gate.
I'm sorry, my lady. The king ordered not to let you out when he's out.
Don't give me that crap. I say open the gate.
But my lady.
Open the gate.
Immediately. Me, I want you to know. They can shoot at any side this time. I need to present the opportunity to shoot. Immediately, me I want you to know. Wow, I know you go on that time. Nick about the choir, I watch a choir.
Yeah, Rastafari! Emperor Slice Eye! Yeah, Rastafari! Leave it! Leave it! Leave it! One day, just one day, Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. One day I will be free, just one day, Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. No lily, not this boy, just one day, Some talk say I'll be useless boy. No lily, not this boy, just one day, Yeah, Rastafari, just one day,
Hello.
Greetings, my lady.
Oh, have we met before?
Yes, my lady. You are the queen of Amago. I performed at the welcoming ceremony of the prince. You even danced with me, my lady.
Ah, you're absolutely right.
Thank you.
So, how are you, boy?
I'm fine, my lady.
But you're crying. Were you hurt?
Don't worry, my lady. Never mind.
You're such a small boy with a super talent in music. I never believed a little boy like you can be such a genius here in Africa.
My lady, I am not as young as you think. I am a man.
Really?
Yes, my lady.
And how old are you?
My lady, I am 33.
33 years old?
Yes, my lady.
Wow, that's interesting. So, can you play your song for me?
If my lady wishes, I'm honored.
Play.
Okay, you can sit, my lady. It may take a while. Thank you, my lady.
Yeah, Rastafari! Emperor Slice Eye! Yeah, Rastafari! Leave it! Leave it! Leave it! One day, just one day, Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. One day I will be free, just one day, Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. No lily, not this boy, just one day, Some talk say I'll be useless boy. No lily, not this boy, just one day, Yeah, Rastafari, just one day,
I was not happy until I met you. You've really made my day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my lady. I should be the one thanking you because of your privilege and audience. Thank you.
You're a very humble man. I'm Tatiana. What is your name?
My name is Okoronta.
Okorota?
No, not Okorota, my lady. Okoronta. But everyone calls me Okoro Bobo.
Okoro Bom Bom. Ah, I think I like that. Okoro Bom Bom. Bom Bom, I hope you will come and play for me tomorrow.
Come? Where, my lady?
The palace.
My lady. I'm sorry to turn you down. We, the commoners, are not allowed to come to the palace without the permission from the king. I'm sorry, my lady. I can't come.
What does that mean?
Sorry, my lady. I mean that you are the most beautiful woman I ever seen in this Amagu kingdom. Yes, my lady. You are beautiful.
You're a very interesting person, Okoro Bom Bom.
No. Okoro Bobo, my lady. It's not Bom Bom.
So, I'm inviting you to the palace tomorrow, 14:00 hours.
My lady, which one is 14:00 hours again?
Sorry. I mean 2 o'clock noon.
Now you're speaking in a language I can understand. 2 o'clock.
You're very funny, Okoro Bom Bom.
Thank you, my lady. Thank you, my lady.
So, I will be expecting you tomorrow.
Your wish is my command, my lady. Your wish is my command. My lady, can I take my leave now?
Okay, but make sure you come tomorrow.
I will. Your wish is my command. Thank you, my lady. Permit me to leave, my lady. Thank you.
My lady, where else am I taking you to?
Home.
As it pleases my lady.
Ja Rastafari! Emperor Sly. Ja Rastafari, leave it. One day, just one day, Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. One day I will be free, just one day, Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. No lily, nothing spoil, just one day, Some talk say I'll be useless boy. No lily, nothing spoil, just one day, Ja Rastafari, just one day,
I came to see the White Queen.
You? What for?
She asked me to come and see her.
The White Queen?
Yes.
Now listen, state your mission to the palace and stop playing with my head or I will throw you out.
She asked me to come and play music for her.
Indeed. Because you are the late Michael Jackson, that's why she asked you to come and play music for her. Now get out of this place, I will throw you out. I'll quickly like a football.
Go inside and confirm.
I've told you.
Greetings, my lady.
What is going on here?
My lady, is this half man? He came here, he said he wants to see you.
Why are you stopping him? He is my guest.
Your guest, my lady.
Let him in.
As it pleases, my lady.
Tea, coffee.
Thank you.
See, I
Thank
have vodka too.
Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
I have been waiting. So, what song are you playing today?
My lady, I will play a good song for you. Just sit, relax.
Okay.
Oibo, this is Achigolo in a reggae style. Naba, enago, naba, enago, nago, enaba, nago, enaba. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya cha, babara mego. Anya cha, babara mego. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya cha, I sing you babara mego. He got bara maturabu, babara mego. He got bara machikuru, babara mego. He got bara megedege, babara mego. I sing it babara mego. Aha, aha. Aha, aha. Alelelelelelelelele. Alelelelelelelelele. Anya chagaribo, babara mego. Anya cha, I sing it babara mego. He got bara machikuru, babara mego. He got bara maturabu, babara mego. Babara megedege, babara mego. Anya cha, I sing it babara mego. Okoro na bagiye babara mego. Obapara na bagiye babara mego. Okoro na bagiye babara mego. Obapara na bagiye babara mego. Anya cha, I sing it babara mego. Anya cha, babara mego. Aha, aha.
Greetings, my highness.
Baby, welcome.
What the hell is this kid?
He's not a kid. He's a matured man. He's my new friend. Okoro Bom Bom.
What? What?
Baby, he's made my day.
Hey, come in. What's your name? What's your name?
Okoronta.
Did you touch my wife?
Baby.
Did you touch her?
Stop it.
Alright. I don't ever want to see you here again. Now get lost!
Hey! Aye. But what's up? Aye.
Why did you send him away?
Tatiana, do you think this is America? Huh?
Boom boom! Okoro boom boom! Come back, huh?
Well, my king, I'm so sorry about that.
What the? What village is this?
Come in.
Greetings, my lady. You sent for me.
Do you know where we can find him?
Who, my lady?
Okoro Bom Bom, the guitar boy.
I don't know exactly where he lives, my lady. But if you wish, I can find him.
We're going for a walk.
When, my lady?
Now.
Okoronta.
Mama.
Oh, you go.
Mama.
Do quickly now. I'm hungry.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
My lady. Greetings, my lady. My lady, how did you find her?
She did.
Oh, welcome. You can sit. You can sit.
Okoronta.
God, what are you doing?
Okoronta.
Mama.
Who are you speaking with? Who are you talking with?
Mama, she's my guest.
Ah.
This is my mother. She's blind.
Oh. Hi.
Mama, she's greeting you.
Ah, welcome. No.
Thank you, Ma. It's my pleasure meeting you.
My pleasure too, meeting you. No? Welcome. Oh, hey, Okoronta. The way she talked, she must be from far away.
Yes, Mama.
Where is she from?
She's the queen. The one you got married from America. The white woman.
Hey!
Yes, Mama.
Queen Elizabeth Tabanyo. Queen no. Welcome. Welcome, no?
Thank you, Ma.
Yes.
Okoronta,
Mama?
I hope you have not committed anything to the royal household.
Oh, no, Mama. Mama, she only came to visit me. There's no problem.
Okay. Hey, no, welcome.
Bom Bom is my friend.
What is that?
Bom Bom is my friend.
What is that? What is Bom Bom?
Yes, Ma. She's referring to me. That's how she pronounces Bobo. She calls me Bombo.
I change your half of them. I didn't want them. Very bland. Very bland, Daniel. Welcome. Diana.
Mama. Mama, I'm coming. What can I offer you? We don't have coffee or juice.
Don't bother yourself. I'm okay. And we're going for a walk. Will you join us?
No, my lady. I'm cooking. When I finish.
It's okay, we can wait.
You will wait?
Of course.
Okay, my lady. Okay.
Oh, Okoronta.
Mama?
Come.
My lady, my mother said she will give you pawpaw. You eat fruits.
Pawpaw, mango, oloma, banana.
Okay, thank you.
I give you fruit, no? Hey, Queen Elizabeth, no, Queen Elizabeth. Eh?
You eat.
Hey, Queen Elizabeth, you. Welcome.
I'm so sorry for the way my husband treated you that day.
You're royalty, my lady. I'm only a poor village guitar boy. I should be the one begging you for being the reason why something will come in between you and the king. Commoners like us have no place in the palace.
But you're not a commoner. You're my friend.
Am I?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, my lady. Thank you, my lady. Can we move, my lady? This way, my lady.
Bioluchi, is that not the white queen with Okorobobo?
One that shall never end. Eh?
What are they doing here all alone?
Agnes, you need not ask. The handwriting is in black and white. Did you not see them dance together at the prince's welcoming feast? Because let's go.
Nekwa.
You cannot even expect me to carry this with step. You like to
Don't worry, next week, you will go again, I will help you.
Let's take this one, see? It's already ready.
It's not right. I will bring it to the palace.
From this tree?
Yes.
Huh? What about this one?
Yes, I will bring them too.
You will bring everything?
Everything.
Everything?
Yes, everything.
Okay. Even this one?
Yes.
What about this one?
I will bring them too.
How you will bring them?
This one, without boots. Now right.
All right.
I will bring to the palace. Yes.
Okay.
You see.
Okay.
Bring
What
it
are
down.
you doing now?
Stick.
Stick? For what?
To bring them down. Yes.
Okay.
Well,
Hey! Let's see this one.
no, it's not right.
Let's see this one.
Strong.
Too strong. But it looks nice.
No good.
No good.
You come. This way. Follow me.
Oibo, this is Achigoro in a reggae style. Naba, enago, naba, enago, nago, enaba, nago, enaba. Anya chagalibo, babaramego. Anya chagalibo, babaramego. Anya chagalibo, babaramego. Anya babaramego, anya babaramego. Anya chagalibo, babaramego. Anya I sing you babaramego. He got baramatu, babaramego. He got baramachikuru, babaramego. He got baramegedege, babaramego. I sing it babaramego. Anya chagaribo, babaramego, anya cha. I sing it babaramego. Iga baramachikoro, babaramego. Iga baramatu, babaramego. Babaramegedege, babaramego, anya cha. I sing it babaramego. Okorona bagiye babaramego. Obaparana bagiye babaramego. Okorona bagiye babaramego. Obaparana bagiye babaramego, anya cha. I Asingi babara negro anyacha. Babara negro. Aha. Aha. Anyacha galibo gi babara negro. Anyacha galibo babara negro. Igra para na tiga gi babara negro. Igra para na chikolo gi babara negro. Babara megedege babara negro. Ifa be bundi wo babara negro. Asingi babara mo babara negro anyacha. Babara negro anyacha. Asingi babara negro anyacha. Babara negro nago enete. Nago enawa. Aha. Asingi nago enawa. Nago enawa. Oh, the boya. Anyacha galibo babara negro. Anyacha galibo babara negro. Iga para natura bugi babara negro. Iga para negedege babara negro. Babara machikuru, babara machikuru. Babara nebundi banye babara negro. Anyacha sheku, sheku, sheku. Asingi sheku. Gasi mazagi tampono, gasi mazagi. Gasi numuku, wanamu, gasi numuku. Anyacha, gasi numuku. Egi piari gipa. Anyacha galibo gi babara negro. Anyacha galibo gi babara negro. Anasagi inaba, anasagi inaba, anasagi inaba, anasagi. Babara martigago, babara machikolo, babara negedege, babara negundi banya anyacha. Babara negro anyacha. Asingi babara negro anyacha. Babara negro anyacha.
What the hell's your name?
He's downstairs, Your Highness. He's at the car waiting for me.
Hey, I trust you're gonna do a good job, right?
Yes, Your Highness.
I trust you, man. Because it's not your first, it's not your second, it's actually your third. No mistakes, bro. Remember the oath. There should be a secret. No one should hear about this. Because if anyone does, I personally will kill you myself. Both of you. Now, Mr. Rodstick is waiting for you. Room 402, the hotel I told you about. Don't keep him waiting, bro. Alright?
Okay, Your Highness.
Wait.
All right, Your Highness.
Who?
45.
45. You're welcome. Put it there. Let's see that. Get up, get up. Okay. See. The potato. Why did you get me that way? Huh?
The money.
This is the money. Just tell your boss I will need the next consignment on the 24th. Okay? Good business, good thinking. Yashina yakanga. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, enjoy yourself. Also go. I'll give you Ferrari. What do you want?
Lamborghini.
I'll give it to you. Enjoy yourself.
Nice one, nice one, nice one.
Good business. I love this one. I'll need more of it. Really.
You're not serious. I'm very serious. My dear, well, it's okay.
Thank you. Have your drink. Nkechi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please take those clothes to the laundry.
Okay, my dear. Ada, I envy you.
You envy me? You envy me how?
See all the comforts and pleasures at your beck and call. You're also the first queen of Amago. What more can a woman possibly ask for?
Don't ever wish to be like me. Don't envy me. All that glitters are often not gold. What matters is not the pleasure of the eyes, but the happiness in the heart. I am the queen of Amago, surrounded with guards, mates, wealth, affluence. But deep down inside me is a sad woman. I am not happy here. I'm telling you. And I've come to realize that happiness is the most expensive gift you can ever get on earth.
You're not happy. What would possibly make you say so?
My king. He's so arrogant, proud, talks to people anyhow, including me, his wife. I regretted ever getting married to him, ever succumbing to my mother's pressure. My heart doesn't belong here. It's Okoro that my heart yearns for. You shouldn't have given me so easily.
Okorogini, that womanizer. Please.
Don't even talk about him like that, please.
Pretend you don't know. Are you the only person in Amago that hasn't seen or heard?
Heard about what?
That Okoro and your co-queen, they are like lovebirds seen perching everywhere.
I don't get you.
Okoronta is having an affair with your husband's white woman. I have seen them on several occasions playing love.
No, it's not possible. Oluchi, I don't believe you. Okoronta cannot do such a thing. He can't.
That's my problem with you. You trust people a lot. Well, you have to come to the realization that change in life is constant. Maybe because you decided to marry the king, he had decided to take his revenge through his white woman. It is called karma.
Enough of this. I think I have to see Okoronta by myself.
Don't tell me you are jealous. But you still love him.
With the white woman. Okay, I have to see him and talk some sense into his head.
Okoro Bom Bom.
My lady.
Please, teach me that dance step you promised me.
The dance step? You mean Azonto?
Yeah, Azonto.
Stand up.
Okay.
You do your leg like this?
This leg?
This one, the right one. Yes. You do like this? No. You do your hand like this as if you want to wash.
Like washing clothes?
Yes.
Okay.
Dance.
Wait. How?
Hey, go ahead. You're getting it. Do your leg like this. You do like this. You bend it. Finish. Go. 1, 2, go. Thank you, my lady. You know how to dance.
Let's do it again. Azonto.
Wash.
Like I'm grabbing fruit.
Yeah, like you're bringing fruit. Yeah. You got it. Thank you, my lady. Oh, good. You know how to do it, eh?
Oh, you're a good teacher.
You tired?
I'm feeling hot.
You're hot. Sorry, my lady. The weather is hot. You need some water.
Cold water?
Yes, cold water. I'll get the water from the well.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Don't bother yourself. Just do rest.
Thank you. Thank you, my lady. Thank you. Thank you, my lady.
I love the village.
Oh, good.
It's much better than staying palace all day, you know? Alone.
Yes.
You know?
Good.
I'm feeling good here. So peaceful.
So beautiful. In your country, you have this?
We don't have.
You don't have?
We don't have. What is it? Mango.
This is mango.
No,
big.
we don't have.
You don't have?
We don't have.
Don't worry. When you're going, I will pack many. Give you.
Okay.
Go with it.
Thank you.
I will load your car. You go with it. No, you come with aeroplane, eh? Yes, I will load it. I will give you. If you have money.
Okay, thank you. You're very kind.
There is something I want to ask my lady.
What is it?
Why does my lady love spending time with me? Even spending time with the poor guitar boy, even when the king does not want her around me. Why would she leave the comfort and riches in the palace to come and stay here in this atmosphere of poverty and discomfort?
Bom Bom, money is not all that matters. I have been bored, sad, and so lonely in that palace until I met you. Happiness is what matters to me. You gave me happiness and friendship that no one ever gave me here. Because of you, I can smile.
Thank you, my love.
See, please, I want you people to do it very well and make sure you don't disappoint me, okay?
Yes, my lady.
See, take. This is some of your money. When you're done, I will give you the balance.
Consider it done.
But please, don't feel me. Don't disappoint me.
Don't worry, consider it done.
Be careful, okay? Bye-bye.
How much is that?
5K.
5K.
Do you know him?
I'm going to ask you one more time. Who played the masquerades that harassed my wife, Tatiana?
I'll ask again. Who played the masquerades that harassed my wife, Tatiana?
With all due respect, Your Highness, there is only one masquerade that elders of Amago celebrate. The masquerade does not appear in the daytime. I believe the youths may be responsible for it.
In addition, the king, the elders of the land are too credible to be involved in such a crime. We're too credible.
You all are old monkeys. I knew you never liked her from the very moment you set your eyes on her. And I also know that you're not ready to tell me the truth. So I command you to take off your caps, beads, walking sticks, drop them on my table right now.
What?
I repeat, take off your caps, beads, walking sticks, drop them on my table right now. I repeat, take off your caps, your beads, walking sticks, drop them on the table right now.
No. Don't you
No, because
do as others have done. Eh?
Sorry, what's your name again? What's his name again? Onowu.
Yes, yes.
Onowu. That's his name. Okay. Very well then. Since our big friend here, Onowu, does not want to take off his cap, his B. So you really want me to woo you right now? Gods. Since our big friend here, Onowu, does not want to obey me, I need you to flog each and every one of them. And you're going to start from him.
Right now, Your Highness.
Take my orders right now! Take him away! Take them out! Take all of them out! What are you waiting for? Get up! Let's go! Get up! This way! Hey! Odogu! Odogu! Hey! 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 This is right. That one says so.
Aru! Hey! Any man won. Ah! Hey! Ow! Ah!
Ah! Hey!
Ah! Hey! Ow! Sacrilege! Hey! 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 Aru! Man! Oh!
Really?
Yes.
Why?
What's the meaning of that?
Was what?
I saw the guards beating the elders, including my father. My prince is your in-law, for crying out loud. You shouldn't have.
Have they started? Have they started whooping their asses? Listen, none of them gets freedom until they confess on how they conspired against the royal household to harass Tatiana, my wife, with that masquerade.
But my king, that's not enough reason for you to compel them to this humiliation. It's too much, including my father, your own in-law.
Shut up! Thank God for her kung fu skills. Tell me, what do you want me to do?
I want you to release my father.
Oh, really? Do you want to join them?
No.
You want to join them?
No.
Guards!
I'm sorry.
No, you want to join them? Wait. I'm gonna fuck y'all up real soon.
Hey, what are you doing here? Even you, HK, you disguise as a masquerade to attack me and the queen. Eh? Igba must hear this.
Please, Okoro Bobo, please. That is why we are here. Please. It wasn't our intention to do that. It was Winara who sent us. I guess she was jealous seeing you together with the White Queen.
Did you just say Queen Ada sent you to attack us?
Yes, Okoro Bobo, but she warned us not to let anybody hear about it.
Hey! Hey! Well, now that I have gotten the information, she has succeeded in landing both of you into trouble. Because I'm going straight away to report to you.
Oh, please, Okoro, Pico. Please. We are sorry, please. You know we are friends. Please.
Well, why did you do that?
Okoro, Okono wuna padimpa. Pico.
Oh? You can get off. I'm forgiving you.
Thank you
But
very much.
don't try that again.
Thank you very much. Okoro, you know you are our man. Anything for the boys.
Chopping something.
Huh? I will report you to Igwe now.
Sorry. Please. Pico.
Igwe must hear you.
Sorry. I am now. Sorry.
Oh, hey!
Oh, my do my when? My fellow wives of Omago. This is over 1 week since the Igwe locked up our husbands in the palace cell, including my own husband, his in-law. We have all begged him. We have pleaded, even that of the Queen Mother, but he has refused to answer us. I want to ask you one question. Should we fold our hands and watch that horrible and oppressive king humiliate and maltreat our husbands in this cruel manner? No! Then, this is the time. This is time for us to stand for justice and freedom without favor nor fear. If you know you are in support of what I have just said, raise up your hand. Igwe rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo, oya duwayo. Igwe rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo, oya duwayo. Igwe rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo, oya duwayo. Igwe rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo, oya duwayo. Igwe rapura yidayo, rapura yidayo.
What the hell is wrong with you? You want to fall down the gate?
We want you to release our husbands!
What?
We want you to release our husbands!
What the hell did you say?
We want you to release our husbands!
Oh, I'm sorry. You're here to get your husbands, right?
Yes! Release our husbands.
Oh, my apologies. I feel like crying right now. Don't worry, let me get your husbands for you, alright? We'll get the husbands for them. Alright, thank you very much. Just feel free. Feel free. Do you want something to drink?
No! We need our husbands!
I could give you a bottle of Coke.
We need our husbands! No!
We need our husbands! Come get your husbands! Bitches.
Son, what is the problem between you and the women? What is it? Can someone talk to me? What is going on?
Your Majesty, the women were protesting for the release of their husbands.
Oh, I see. Ikenna, why? Why? I have begged you several times to release these elders. Let them go back to their home. But you wouldn't listen. I beg you again. Please, go and free them. Let them go. You must free them, please. Sir, violence and tyranny are not a symbol of a great leader. It's not. Your father was a great king. Loved, feared and respected by all. And you must tread that path. Yes. I know you are embittered as a result of that masquerade incident. But you must let go. Yes. Forgiveness does not make you a weakling, but brave. Please, my son. Free them. Let them go. The great lion. The heartbeat of Amago. The true son of his father. Ikoha. Onyochi bialowanochi.
That's enough, Mom. That's enough. That's enough. Yo, Magnus.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go free them old fools, man. Most especially, what's his name again?
Oh no.
Oh no, woo. Go free them, man. Get out of here.
Thank you, Your Highness. I love you.
You good? Let's go.
Ja Rastafari! Emperor Sly. Ja Rastafari, leave it. One day.
Okoronta!
Yes, my lady.
Why did it take you so long to answer my call?
I didn't know you were calling me.
Liar, how would you know? How would you know when all your mind is centered on how you will shamelessly gallivant the whole of Amago with a white lady? Your king's wife, Okoronta. It's a sacrilege!
Oh, was that why you sent those boys to disguise as masquerades and attack the queen and I? You think I don't know you sent them?
Well, it's very good you know. It's just a warning for both of you to stay away from each other. Stop defiling our land, Okoronta. Find your own wife and leave another man's wife alone. It's a sacrilege.
It's also a sacrilege to abandon the man who gave you all his heart. For another man just because of royalty and affluence. You see? Now you're getting jealous.
Jealous of who? You or the white pig? I can never be jealous of both of you.
Then stop bothering yourself. Please. As you can see, I was on my way before you stopped me. With due respect, my lady, can I leave now?
How dare you walk out on the queen? I am the queen of Amago, and it's a dishonor to royalty for you to walk out on me. It attracts punishment.
If royal principles include stopping people on the road from attending to their needs, then ready to go to roots. Goodbye, my lady.
Okoronta! so harsh. I still love him. No, I don't. He's such a fool. He should go to hell.
You know you're such an African beauty, right? You're so pretty and sexy. That's why I love you.
Thank you so much. I'm flattered, my king.
No, you don't have to be. I'm saying the truth. You're sexy. You turn me on.
Thank you. My king.
Yeah.
I need an errand boy.
An errand boy?
Yes.
What you need that for? You have lots of maidens around at your command. You know, what you need an errand boy for?
A whole lot, my king. The maidens are becoming too lazy and lousy. Moreover, they attend to your white lady too. So I need someone that will concentrate on me. And me alone. Hmm? Please.
Alright, I'll try to arrange that tomorrow.
But I already have someone in mind.
Someone in mind?
Yes.
Who's that?
Okoro Bobo, the guitar boy.
The village local entertainer?
Yes.
What you doing that boy for?
Because he's the perfect person for the job. See, he's the person that can do what I want him to do and also entertain us with his melodious song. Do you understand? I know you will like it, please.
He's a perfect person to help you out. That 2-inch little man.
Please, my king, don't say no,
right.
please.
It's okay. I'm just wondering why you want him. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
It's alright. So, tell me, can we get down to business now?
Yes.
You know I like you from the back, right? Show me that.
Oigo. This is Achigolo in a reggae style. Naba, enago, naba, enago, nago, enaba, nago, enaba. Anya chagalibo, babara nego. Anya chagalibo, babara nego. Anya chagalibo, babara nego. Anya cha, babara nego. Anya cha, babara nego. Anya chagalibo, babara nego. Anya cha. I sing you babara nego. He get bara na tirabu, babara nego. He get bara na chikuru, babara nego. He get bara na gerege, babara nego. I sing you babara nego. Anya chagalibo, babara nego. Anya cha. I sing.
Okolota, what is pursuing you? Huh? Why are you running?
Mama, the palace guards.
What do they want?
Under the command of King Omenuko II of Amago, you have to follow us right away to the palace, where you have been employed as a palace errand boy.
The palace?
Yes.
No, I can't go. I can't leave my mother.
You have no choice, Okoro.
You have to come with us now. No, he doesn't want to go now. Go and beg the Igwe for me. Oh. Tell the Igwe that he's my only eyes and my only son. That he cannot go and leave me alone. Please beg the Igwe for me. I can't live without him.
No one disobeys the king's rules. Okoro, you have only a few minutes left.
I can't leave my blind mother. I can't leave her.
I said, let's go.
No, I can't leave my blind mother.
Leave my son. Leave my son.
Let's go.
That's my son. Give me my son.
Mama!
Let's go.
Mama!
Let's go.
Mama! I can't leave my mother. Mama!
Let's go.
Mama! Mama!
bonbon. You're here.
Yes, my lady.
Wait. Who asked you to clean the sitting room?
Queen Ada, my lady. My lady, I'm not an employee in the palace. I work as a maid. So this is one of my duties.
That's unfair. You can't do this. Please stop.
He dare not stop. I said he dare not.
Why did you make him do that? Can't one of the numerous maidens in the palace do that?
Well, if you must know, it is duty henceforth and there's nothing you can do to dispute that. Hey you, get back to work.
Stop.
I said get back to work. Don't dare me, Tatiana. Get back to work!
Listen, you cannot treat him like your slave. He is a man.
Man indeed, I knew it. Tatiana, I knew it's going to hurt you to your bone marrow to watch your local sugar boy, or should I say lover, turned into a common house help. But you know what? You have to accept this development because there is nothing you or anyone can do about it.
Jeez. What are you talking about? You bitch!
Did you just call me a bitch? No, a bitch.
I will kill you.
What the fuck did I say?
No mistakes.
What the fuck did I say?
No mistakes.
I can hear you.
No mistakes.
Good. I'll call you. Let's roll.
Father, where is my son? Hey, Okoronta, where are you? Where are you? Who will help me? I sent to Mourning when she came here to call John for me. I have not seen John. Nobody to move me, nobody to do anything for me. Papa, Okwagi sinige burumi bua. Okwagi siniga bunke mo daddy. Anam ni rugi. Nara no keni megi. Papa, anam ni rugi. I'm sitting here before you. Please send help. Send Okoronta to me. Send Okoronta, Daddy.
Ata, you can be so mean.
How do you mean?
So this is what you have subjected Okorobobo to. Your laundry man.
That serves him right. Him and his white lady. He should consider himself lucky for laying his filthy hands on the garment of the queen.
But seriously, I think you should open up and tell him that you're still in love with him. That's subjecting him to this.
Michon, don't even talk like that. Listen, I won't let you walk into my palace and talk to me anyhow. If you don't have anything reasonable to say, suggest you walk out. Don't even incur the wrath of the queen. You can't come to my palace and talk to me anyhow. I don't like it.
I'm sorry, ma. Are we no friends again? Why your blood they hot?
We are friends, but why are you talking like that? Don't forget, I am the queen.
Yes, your majesty.
Please be fast with the cloth. my king.
Well, boom. Sure.
Welcome, my prince.
Shut up.
Nkechi, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Hey!
The palace satellites. What have you seen this time around?
Now, wow. Don't tell me you have not noticed the kind of Klunkere movements the king, Magnus and Wokemba has been making these days. Their way is not genuine.
Ijoma, how many times did I call you? You better watch your mouth or else it will land you into serious trouble. Nonsense.
My lady.
How are you today?
I'm fine, my lady.
But you've been working all day. You need a break.
No, my lady. Queen Ada said I must finish with the car because she wants to use it.
When would she ever give you a break? Why does she hate you so much?
I don't know, my lady. Never mind. I will soon be through.
No. I think I will ask one of the palace guards to do this.
No, my lady. That will bring problem for me. I know you're missing my entertainment and company. Don't worry, I will soon finish and I will come and entertain you.
Let me help you.
No, my lady. It's a taboo for a queen to do such job.
Don't worry, it's fun for me. That's what.
Yes, good. Good, my lady.
Ooh.
Coming.
Lady said that you sent for me.
Yes. Please, I want you to help me rub this cream on my back.
Lady, it's a taboo for my palms to grease the body of the queen. Please, I can't do that.
Do you rather wish to be punished for defiling the queen's order? It's an order, Okoronta. You have to do it now. Rub my back. Bring your hand. My back, my shoulder, my leg, everywhere.
Make love to me, please. Stop, please. Stop. Please. Stop it. It's safe for me to sleep with another man's wife. I missed you. Just this once. Please. Stop. Stop. I can't. Stop. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Thank God you're here. This boy wanted to rape me. He wants to rape me. I told him I'm someone's wife, but he wouldn't listen to me. Touching me all over my body.
What the hell is going on here? Yo, nigga, where you going? Are you trying to crawl out or something? Motherfucker. What are you trying to do, man? I saw you touching my wife, and right now you want to crawl out like a rat, right? Get on your fucking knees. Nigga, show me your head. Nigga, show me your head. What the hell you gonna do with that? Motherfucker.
Okonta here has committed a great abomination against this kingdom.
And he is even denying it. Even when he was caught on the act by the king himself. And also committing more crime by indirectly accusing the king and the queen of being liars.
Yes, he must pay for his sins.
Old man, I don't need words, man. I need actions. Alright? God! Take this little man into the forest and shoot him. Kill him.
With due respect, Your Highness, I do not wish to interfere into your orders, but I wish to remind you that here in Amago, we have rules and tradition guiding us, which was established by our ancestors. And no one has violated such tradition, not even your father, nor the kings before him. I want to plead that Okoronta here be ostracized, not killed, in respect of our tradition. Have I spoken your mind?
No. But that's not enough punishment for what he's done.
Mercy, mercy, Your Highness. You see, our tradition must be saved in a situation like this. Please, have mercy.
Mercy, yeah. Mercy. Yo, God.
Your Highness.
You heard them. Lock the little man up, alright? Until I decide what to do with him. And make sure you don't give him food to eat. Take him away. This meeting is over, man. You guys can go home. I said go home, man. Nigga, shut my door, man, when you get out.
See, Nwokemba, the luck star does not appear in the sky all night. We might be lucky in the past, but we cannot continue to be lucky.
Then wait until this last deal is done. After he establishes us, we'll find our way. That means we'll quit.
Eh? Do you think he will let us walk away with all that money? Huh?
Magnus, we won't let him know about this. We will play smarter. Maybe after the deal, find our way to a country where he won't know our whereabouts.
Do you think that will work?
Magnus, trust me, you don't have to worry. It has already worked.
Okay, if you say so.
Hey, finally, the deal is done. It's done.
$3 million cash. See, let me tell you, as soon as His Highness gives us our own part of the money, we are made men. Who can buy a bola toto? My man.
So you see, Magnus, what I have been telling you, Magnus. Sometimes when you just have to be very
I slept off, and when I woke up, he has left with the money. No need for that, Your Highness. His number is switched off. I'm sorry, boss.
I cannot find my money. I cannot find, what's his name again?
Wakimba.
Wakimba? Okay, maybe it's time to find my gun. Where the fuck is my money?
Hey, Your Highness. Your Highness, please. Please, I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Where the fuck is my money?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Where the fuck is my money?
I have no idea, Your Highness. I have no idea.
Jesus.
Your Highness, I'm sorry.
Son, what are you doing with a gun? Please, put it down. Put it down! My goodness. Oh, Jesus.
Okay. I will see you tomorrow.
Thank you, my lady.
What the hell's going on, man? How can I lose $3 million, man? That's a lot of money, man. What the fuck is wrong with these dudes, man? What the hell do I tell the bank? All the loan and shit? Fuck! I'm fucking dead, yo.
We need to talk.
What did you say?
We need to talk.
Talk about what?
The innocent man you locked up in a cell.
Tatiana, get the hell out of my room before I do something stupid.
Not till you get him out.
Yo, are you trying to say y'all can give me some time?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Well,
on behalf of Golden Bank PLC, we thank you for banking with us. I will be on my way, Your Highness.
Who is this, son?
Who that?
You heard me.
Oh, you mean that dude? That was actually my pastor. We were talking about Jesus Christ and his angels before you.
You are lying! You are lying because I heard everything! Son, why? How could you take such huge amount of money from the bank without my knowledge? How could you do a thing like that? Placing your father's landed property, including this palace, as collateral. Jesus Christ! What did you do with the money?
Business, man. I handled some business with the money.
Business! Business! What other business do you do apart from your father's company that you are running?
Mom, take it easy on me, yo. I'm a business tycoon and you know that. I know how to handle my stuff. Take a chill pill, Mom.
Make sure you return that money before it's too late.
Mom, you trying to blind me, man. Alright, Mom, I'm gonna do that. That's what's up, man. I need crack. I want some crack. You be telling good shit about some. What a critical situation. I've lost all the properties I inherited from to come up on the price, man. Those cars are expensive. I expect you to do something better, man. Listen, you know my situation, man. I'm out of stuff, man. I need to buy some more stuff. I need money for my trip. You're the only person who can help me, man. They could do something better, man.
You see, apart from our business relationship, you have been a very good friend of mine. But as you can see, right now, things are very tight, if you know what I mean. If I have more money, I won't hesitate to double it for you. Trust me.
What the hell do I do? How do I get some money? That's what's up.
I will prepare the agreement papers. As soon as you sign, I will pay you in cash for the cars. Deal?
All right, deal. Well, man, I expected you to do something better, man.
Hey, Your Highness. Yeah. See, if you want to make some money, I mean real money, there's this business I will introduce you to.
What kind of business, man?
Hey, can you steal the oracle from the shrine?
Oracle? Shrine? Nigga, what shrine, man?
Your kingdom. Can you do that?
My kingdom? What for?
See, those things worth a hell of money. I have friends all over the world, white men who are willing to pay any amount of money just to lay their hands on that shit. Feel me?
Just an oracle. When I steal the oracle, I'm gonna be making a lot of money. Is that what you mean?
For real.
Oh, all right. You want me to steal it?
I'm dead serious. But remember, at the end of the deal, I will get my own cut.
Nigga, I'm gonna steal that shit, man. As long as I'm gonna get some money, man.
So we have a deal then?
That's what's up, bro.
Yeah.
yeah, I got it.
Yeah, what?
So what kind of oracle, man?
Man, fuck that shit. I'll send my guys over to pick up the cars.
All right.
Who are you people?
Hey, I want to see my son Okoronta. Okoronta have not visited me in a long time. So I want to see him because I have a feeling that all is not well.
I'm sorry, Ma, you can't see him.
Hey, why can't I see my own son? Okoronta is my son, you know.
See, Ma, your son committed a sacrilege and has been locked up in the palace cell. According to the king's order, no one is allowed to see him.
Locked up? Because let me see my son and see what is happening. Let him tell me what happened.
That won't be necessary, ma. Boy, take her away.
Sorry, I'm not going anywhere until I see my son.
Mama, let's go.
No,
Mama,
no.
let's go.
We can't people
Mama,
give
let's
me.
go
No,
now.
no, I'm not going anywhere.
Guys,
I will stay here until I see
go.
him. I know.
Mama, let's go.
I will stay here.
Stand up, man. You don't need to lie down here. Mama.
We can't people. We can't people.
Let's go.
Stop! I said stop. Why are you pushing her?
My lady, she said she's looking for Okoronta the prisoner. And I told her that the king ordered us
Now
not...
let her in to see her son.
That's my prince's wife.
The prince's wife? No. I know you're innocent. I know the courts will soon vindicate you. And they will prove your innocence. Okay? No. Don't cry, you. Oh. Okay.
Mama. Mama. I want you to take care of yourself. Like you said, I am innocent. I will soon be free.
Yes.
Mama, I want you to start going now before the king comes in.
Hey. I want to stay with you. I want to stay with you.
No, Mommy, you can't stay with me.
Why can't I stay with you?
No, Mommy, you can't stay with me.
Oh. Then we leave you, no? I will come again. Oh.
Mama, please take care of yourself. I want you to take care of yourself. Don't worry about me. I will soon be free.
But I will come and bring you out myself.
Don't worry, Mama. Mama, please start going now.
Can someone tell me where are the cars in this palace?
Your Highness came in the morning with some people and they drove out with all the cars.
Why? Why would you do a thing like that? Why?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
Hey, Mom.
Son?
Yes, Mom?
I want you to tell me where are the cars in this palace gone to?
Oh, the cars, right? I took them for servicing.
Servicing?
Yeah, yes, Mom, I did.
Is anything wrong with any of them?
That's the point I'm trying to make, Mom. In Nigeria, you don't take cars for servicing. You don't have to wait for a car to get bad before you you get them repaired. That's what I'm trying to say, Mom. It's all right. I'm going to bring your car back. I'm sure you're trying to go out, right? Come here. Mom, you can make use of this one. It's a Peugeot, and it's got a leather seat. It's a strong car. Peugeot's a strong car. What are you doing?
You know better. What do you want?
All right, get ready. We're leaving the country soon.
Why did you suddenly change your mind?
Why did you suddenly change your mind? Isn't that what you've always wanted?
But not in such a hurry.
Listen, white girl, get ready. I'm taking you back.
Wait. What about your prisoner, Okoro? Your prisoner, Okoro Bom Bom.
Oh, Okoro Bom Bom. Don't worry.
You sent for me, Your Highness.
Fuck you. How's my little cockroach doing?
He is very ill, Your Highness. Perhaps from the starvation.
Oh, I see.
Yes, Your Highness.
I want him killed tomorrow. In other words, I want him executed tomorrow. I want that man to watch him die. What's his name again?
Ichiono.
Oh, that's what's up. No mistakes, what I said.
No mistakes.
That's what's up. Get the fuck out.
As it pleases Your Highness.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York. New York. Can't take shit for granted cause life is too short. Motherfucker, man, I'm fucking high, man. Shit. Fuck the shit.
My son, I heard you're planning to leave. Is that true?
Mom, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just trying to take a little business trip. That's what's up.
Because I was wondering why you would do a thing like that without telling me.
Come on, Mom. I'm not gonna leave without telling you, man. You're my mama. I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, Mom, but I'm leaving never to return here. To hell with the throne. You know I can't stand your tears when you finally realize you've lost all the properties Father left because of me. I'm sorry, Mom. Please forgive me if you do find out.
Son? Son?
Yo, Mama, what's up with you, man?
What about the bank loan? Have you paid them?
Oh, the bank. Yeah, I did. I was gonna tell you about it, but I did, yeah. I took care of that, Mom.
Okay. And the cars that you sent for servicing, what about them?
Oh, the cars, right? They're coming tomorrow, man. Trust me, they're gonna bring them tomorrow. They're perfectly in good shape, man. Trust me.
It's okay. I'm going to my room. Just see you. Take care of yourself. Good night.
Fuck the throne, man. I don't give a shit about a throne. I don't want to be king. I'm already king of crack and cocaine. That's what's up. Hey, nigga, pick up your call, man. Yo, Mr. Anderson, can you hear me? No, listen to me. Listen to me. What I'm trying to say is this. What you're offering is not good enough. If you don't come up with something better, I'm gonna take other offers. Cause that shit is worth $100,000, man. No, Mr. Anderson, we're talking about an oracle from a shrine. That shit is risky, man. We're talking about a shrine, man.
Ugugu. The king. Amagwe. No. Let them mama say this. Let them mama say this. Let them mama say this.
I am stuck here. I am stuck here. I am stuck here. I cannot move. Oh. I am stuck here. I cannot move.
Hunter, what is it? And why are you knocking at the royal gate this early morning?
I need to see the Queen Mother now.
What for?
This is no time for questions and answers. I need to see the Queen. It is very urgent.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay.
Come on, follow me.
May I know why you want to see me?
My lady, a violent hurricane is threatening to uproot the Iroko tree.
Shut up. Spare me that your stupid riddle. Tell me why you are here or you face the consequences.
Your Majesty, His Majesty the King is trapped at the Ogogo Shrine.
What?
With the oracle in his hand.
This is an expensive joke and it may land you into a serious trouble. Please, you have to save him. Save the king. Save my son, please. I beg you.
Silence, Your Majesty. He deserves no sympathy for this sacrilegious act. Look, 6 fat rams, 6 tubers of yam, 4 kola nuts, and a male eagle. All this must be sacrificed to Ogugu for appeasement before Ogugu will free him from this bondage.
I will bring it. I will bring it. I will get them now for the sacrifice.
Go.
I'll bring it. I'll bring
There's
it.
no time left.
I don't want crack no more.
Get me out of here. Hey. I can't see you. Ogugu.
What's wrong? He's still abnormal.
Yes. So shall he remain for 3 days and 3 nights until Ogugu's spell finally leaves him.
Wonders. What baffles me is what His Highness wishes to do with Dora.
Selfish desire, greed for wealth. My people of Amago, atrocities and sacrileges committed in this land in the past is like a very strong, unpleasant smell, just like a stench, man. Don't be quick to rant like a roasting breadfruit on the fire, because only you and I know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you are talking about. I don't know what you are talking. I suspect you are up to some mischief, but I...
Step on it if you are as innocent as you appear before Amago community.
I forbid you, Ezemo!
Your Majesty, please step on the footmat of truth. Prove that you are innocent. That is the only way Ogugu's sword of justice will rise against any mouth that has spoken against you.
I shall step on the mat of truth. But if I am innocent of this accusation, Ezemo shall be put to death.
Obukwa,
that shall be your punishment.
Obukwa,
It was suffering. Yes, fuck. When I could not have a child for my husband. And I was desperate. I was desperate finding heir to the throne.
Yourself to stupor every night before you go to sleep.
Sleep? Did you just say sleep? Slumber has long abandoned me. Sorrow and anguish has become the very companion to my sleepless nights. Allow me to drink away my agony. I could still away some little sleep.
My husband, I understand your plight. Our plight. Drinking excessively will not even bring a solution to our problem. Instead, it will endanger your health, our chances. My husband, the gods are not asleep. They will soon bless us. They will give us a male child and heir to the throne.
I've heard enough of those consoling words. They're like songs I listen to every day and night. I only wish they are a remedy to our childlessness.
Patience. My husband, patience and hope is what we need now.
Patience. Patience and hope.
Yes.
For how long? When will this miracle happen? When will this miracle happen? Is it when you cross your menopause? Patience. Time has no patience, my dear.
Don't drink again. It's okay. Let's go to bed.
Madam, go, I will join you.
No, I insist. Let's go.
My lady, I feel so guilty committing this illicit act. How can I continuously feeding on the king's meal? A good man who has been kind and generous to me for my services to his reign. And you know, adultery is a crime with death punishment. Should we be caught, you and I know the consequences. We have to stop, honestly. We have to stop.
I understand your fears. But remember, we were in love before I married the king. Okay, I agreed. We have to stop. But I must become pregnant first
to have an heir to the throne. It's obvious that the king is impotent and he has been eaten up with his excess alcoholic habit. Like a vegetable that hardly made love to me. So please, you are my only hope to prove my womanhood. My only hope of an heir. So please, my love, I'm begging you. I'm really begging you. Save a helpless woman. You know, the future of this kingdom lies in this relationship. It's just for a while, my love. My love, it's just for a while. I need to be all over.
Oh, Gugu!
How did I? Lord, Your Highness.
How did I?
Oh, Your Highness, you came in here last night and
And what? No, listen. I was drunk. Whatever that happened last night did not happen. Did you understand? And let no ear hear about this. Did you get me?
Yes, Your Highness.
My wife. All the sight men above.
I'm so happy.
Tell me the good news that has visited my palace.
Honey, God has really wiped away your tears.
Wipe my tears? How do you mean?
You know, today I went to the hospital. I'm so happy.
Yes. What happened?
And you now told me that I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Come. You're pregnant. You're pregnant.
Yes.
Finally.
Yeah,
sun of victory has shone upon me and my kingdom. Hi. Wow. This is good news. This is good news. I love you.
Just take it easy.
At last, the gods have remembered my kingdom. Me and my kingdom. May the God be exalted. Yes.
Your Majesty, you sent for me. I want you to go assemble all the medians. Tell them that I want to see them here. Go. I give you 3 minutes to tell me who is responsible for this pregnancy, or I'll skin you alive. Talk, you ingrate. I took you in. After all my generosity and my kindness, you went ahead, threw your body cheaply to all these stupid men of Amagu. Talk now, I'll skin you alive. Talk! Who is responsible? I said who? Come on, talk! Is your highness? What? Yes, shut up! How dare you lie against your highness? My husband.
I'm not lying. He came to my room. I'm not lying, I'm sorry.
You're a liar. How can you tell me that you've not slept with another man after that time?
Not ever since I started working in this palace. Let Ogugu bear me witness.
Now, get out with my presence. Leave! How can? I thought he's important. 6 years of marriage to him, not even a child. No, a common palace medium is pregnant for him. Why I'm carrying another man's child? A child formed by sacrilege. Was I caused? What do I do? What do I do now? She's pregnant with a royal blood. I must do something before the king finds out about the pregnancy. Or I stand out to lose my place tomorrow. Time to act. I must do something. Has anyone heard about it?
No, Your Majesty.
Good. No one should know about it except you and I. Okay?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now, take this. Take it! To terminate the pregnancy so that you will be free. I guess you know the consequences.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay. Drink it. Drink! Alright, give me, let me help you. Don't worry, let me help you. Fine. Open your mouth. Open! Open. Open. Just go and open. Open your mouth. Nobody will hear about it. And if anybody hears about it, you know the consequences.
Yes, I know.
I'll see you later.
Thank you, my dear.
How could you, Ezenwa? How could you deceive me? It's been over 2 weeks that she took the mixture, but yet the pregnancy was still not aborted. Instead, it kept becoming pronounced.
How can? How can? Habaramiri has never failed me. Habaramiri Hasaluga Wanyo, the morning star, and then the betrayal. I call on you. Habaramiri Udumiri Gadiatata. Yes. The baby's spirit is too strong. To get the baby, the mother must die as well.
No, Ezenwa. I don't want to have innocent blood on my hands.
What else do you want Habaramiri to do for you?
You can't do anything. But please just spare her life.
There is only one option.
What?
She will live to deliver the baby. But don't worry. She will not know who the father of the baby is. Habaramiri will make her memory of her stay in the palace vanish from her mind. But be warned. She must leave the palace immediately. And she must not set her eyes on the baby from the day she put to bed. Or the spell will be broken.
Listen, why? How can she live without seeing her child? Is it possible?
Habaramiri will make her sight as dark as her mind. She will be made blind. You don't have to bother. Remember, she is only an orphan. No one will ask of her whereabouts.
Ezenwa, how can all that be possible?
Don't underestimate the power of Habaramiri. All you have to do is to make the necessary things available. Asalugo wanyo. Asalugo wanyo. And then
Yes. I sent her out of the palace as Ezenwa instructed. And Habaramiri inflicted her with blindness so that she would not see, nor know her way to the palace, nor share the secret with anyone. I'm sorry.
Today is your execution day. I am sorry.
Do you believe I'm innocent?
Yes, I believe you're innocent.
Please do me a favor.
I am listening.
Let me see my mother before I die.
showed you that. Let's go.
I'm sorry for feeding on the king's meal. I tried to stop her, but she insisted. And she never told me that she was pregnant for me. How am I supposed to know that Ikenna here is my son, my blood? Please, wise one, the eye of the gods. Please beg the gods on my behalf.
This is no time for apologies. The true blood of our late king, Mborie's son, must be found. The destiny of Amago lies on his shoulder.
The only child the blind Mborie has is Okoronta, the little boy, who is currently in prison in the palace. As I speak with you now, the king ordered last night that he should be executed this morning.
Obranodi, they must be stopped immediately. Stop them! If he dies, a great calamity awaits Amago. Go and stop them. Go, stop them.
Mama, I don't know the distance we are going to. We're going too far away distance and I don't know when we are coming back. No matter the distance, no matter how far it may be, I will still love you. I will still remain in my heart. Please, Mama, take care of yourself.
Okoronta, where is this distant place that they are taking you to that you are not telling me?
Mama, I don't know. Like Ayanya said, I don't know how far it's going to be. I don't know if I'm going to come back. But no matter what, Magnus here is a good man. He will take care of you, Mama.
But I want you to be my only son.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I will do my best. Okoronta, the time is up. Let's go. Let's go. I said let's go. The time is up.
I saw them. They moved towards this side. Which way did they take? I saw them. They are pushing it towards the village square.
Village square?
Yes.
Let's hurry.
Rastafari, leave ye. One day, just one day. Okoro Baba, I'm the guitar boy. One day I will be free. Just one day. Okoro Baba, I'm the guitar boy. No lady, nothing spoil. Just one day. One day. Some talk say I'm a useless boy. No lady, nothing spoil. Just one day. One day. I shall rest the fire. Just one day.
Look, this very boy, the future of this kingdom lies in his hand. Do him no harm.
What do you mean by that?
He is needed in the palace now. By who? By Ezemo. He is here by the king's order, and I'm sure you know that. Ezemo.
This is the latest order. How come we don't know about that? How come?
You don't need to know. This is the latest
Young
order.
man, you don't need to know.
Elders of Umaru, when?
By the powers bestowed of me, by Ogugu, the great god of justice of Amagu, I hereby crown you, Okoronta, the Igwe Omeniko, the third of Amagu. Ayanano Bosinano, Egashikayanka, Eke, Olie, Afo, Nkwo.
But why did she tell me my father died before I was born?
Furan, she lied to you. The revelation of the gods is always a mystery to mortals. May Ogugu be praised for redeeming us from the clouds of darkness and bringing us today to the light of truth.
My king, I have a confession.
My king, you should permit it.
I lied when I said my lord here tried to abuse me sexually. I was the one that wanted to force him to sleep with me, but he refused. I blackmailed him because I was scared he might tell Ikenna, my husband. Please, my king, I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for everything I did. I did that because of the endless love I have for you. My parents came in between what we felt for each other, but my heart still yearns for you. Please, I am sorry for everything. My elders, everybody should... Leave me alone. Please, you should help me talk to him. My king, I still love you. I love you so much, please.
None of us is worthy to beg the king on your behalf. Like I said earlier, the power of judgment belongs to the king and to him alone.
My king, Bikon, you know I love you so much. Bikon, forgive me. I still love you. It's the work of devil. I didn't want to do it though. Please, my king.
This is my judgment. Akaraka here has been banned from his duties as a member in this cabinet. From henceforth, he ceased to be a member in this cabinet. He should no longer be seen in the gathering of eligible men of Amago, because he does not deserve to be one. He should henceforth bear responsibility as a father to Ikenna. And as for you, Olama, you and your son hereby evicted from this household. You are no longer members in this cabinet. And you, Ada, just go back to your parents, your selfish and greedy parents, and let posterity judge all of you. Two of you cease to be members in this cabinet.
Hey, become my king, please.
You're leaving this cabinet to the pit.
Hey!
I repeat.
Hey!
From State CID, I'm here to see the king, Ikenna Ojemba. You're under arrest for illegal drug trafficking.
What the hell are you saying, man? Are you trying to say I do drugs?
You have the right to remain silent, or whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Man, nigga, get the fuck out of here. You don't know what you're talking about, man.
I didn't do anything.
I don't know where, man. Mama, I didn't do.
You didn't do anything.
My king, I would like to show you something outside.
He didn't do anything.
What? All of us?
Yes.
The guitar boy, no lily, not this boy. Just one day. Some talk say I'll be useless boy. No lily, nothing spoil. Just one day I will be free. Okoro baba, go be okoro man. On the purun joggy booma. Just one day, nothing spoil. Yeah, Rastafari. Yeah, Okoro baba, guitar boy. Yeah, I'll be Okoro baba, the guitar boy. Yeah, Okoro baba, the guitar boy. One day, just one day. Sometimes say I'll be useless boy. No lele, not this boy. Just one day. I want sometimes say I'll be useless boy. No lele, not this boy. One day, Okoro baba, I'll be guitar boy. No lele, not this boy. Just one day, Okoro baba, I'll be guitar boy. No lele, not this boy. Just one day I will be free. Okoro baba, could be Okoro man. On the kurun jogi woman. Just one day. Yeah, just the fire. Apple slice, yeah.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Somebody
let me
carry you.
Chukwumata! Chukwumata! Chukwumata!
Let me carry you. See, I can carry you. Me, I can carry you. Let me carry you.
Somebody help me. Cannot see. Cannot see.
Walking stick. Mama, can you see now?
I can see you very well, perfectly.
You can see now? How?
See my eyes now. Miracle.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Touch me.
Nah. Opalicha.
Wow.
You're dressed in royalty.
Mama, you can see now?
Yes.
How did it happen?
Miracle. Miracle. Now, do you know I can now remember a lot of things from my past? Honestly. See, I have a lot to tell you. But these people are always following you about the king, the palace guards.
No, Mama. I'm a free man now. The guards are only here to protect me. Yes, Mama.
No.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, we can go inside. Yes, Mama. You can see.
Wow.
Let me read the Wow. I thank you so much. In fact, I don't know how to thank you enough. I don't know where to start. Your companionship, the beautiful moments we shared together, and the funny names you call me. In fact, you played a wonderful role in my life, right from the very first day we met. I want to say thank you. You deserve the best. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. I will leave, but I know I will always miss you, especially your songs.
Thank you.
Nkichi, my personal assistant, who is now your wife, will take good care of you. Anyway, we will keep in touch, and maybe one day I will visit this kingdom.
Of course. You're free to come anytime. This is still your kingdom. Now that I'm the king, I can as well visit your country so that I will know the culture of your people. I can bring it here to my people. You're welcome any day. You're welcome. Like I said before, you're a good woman.
I'm glad that now you are the king. You're a good man, not a beast like him. I know you will rule your people with peace. So, good luck, Your Highness.
Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
I will.
Remember, he is my bonbon.
I will.
Hey. I want to give you the last one till we see again.
This one is a special song that I wrote for you, my lady, in anticipation for this day. Because now, Mamna, if you understand what I mean, I've always known that I'm a religion one.
Onye chabiala ije na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu dị be gị yo, gịnị ka anyị ga-emere gị? Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, aga m ekwuzo na ị ghara ibe ya. Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo.
When you get to your country, tell them our stories. Tell them about the beautiful faces you met here. This one is a special song that I wrote for you, my lady, in anticipation for this day. Because now, Mamna, if you understand what I mean, I've always known that I'm a religion one.
Onye chabiala ije na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu dị be gị yo, gịnị ka anyị ga-emere gị? Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, aga m ekwuzo na ị ghara ibe ya. Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo.
When you get to your country, tell them our stories. Tell them about the beautiful faces you met here, the lovely people.
Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, aga m ekwuzo na ị ghara ibe ya. Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Enweghị m ego ụwa, enweghị m ọlaọcha, enweghị m ọlaedo. Chukwu gọzie gị, naanị ekele bụ ihe m nwere nji enyenụ gị. Ewo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, mmaji pụrụ mmaji, ụkwụ agaghị akpọ gị. Onye chabiala ije na-aba n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo.
We're so happy to have enjoyed this moment with you. Life is full of mystery. Nobody knows where to turn. Thank you for being a part of this history.
Enweghị m ego ụwa, enweghị m ọlaọcha, ife m nwere n'ụwa bụkwa naanị ekele. Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Aga m akpanye gị akịdị, aga m enye gị ụzịza, aga m ebunye gị ede ya na akpa ka gwọrọ agwọ. Ị na-alụzi ebunu, ịgwa ha ụta esi ebi. Onye chabiala Igbo na-alụ n'udo. You have come to this land to discover Ewo naluenudo. Carry this picture forever. Asim naluenudo. Onya chabyalibo naluenudo. Onya chabyalanibo naluenudo. Agame kuzo newe galibe ya. Onya chabyalibo naluenudo. Okorantana boginebu naluenudo. Chukwu gozegi Ukwagaya bogi Ikanalunudo Mmiri agaya mabugi Ikanalunudo Ofogo no gondo Kana koragi if you know what I mean Onyo chabyalibo Naluenudo Asingi naluenudo.
The world is such a small place. The globe is such a village. We all interconnect with each other one way or the other. Farewell, my lady, and may your days be long. Goodbye.
Okolantana sige Naluenudo. Ja Rastafari Emperor Slicey Ja Rastafari Leave it One day just one day Okoro Baba, I be guitar boy. One day I will be free. Just one day Okoro Baba, I be guitar boy. No lily, nothing spoil. Just one day Some talk say I be useless boy. No lily, nothing spoil. Just one day I Rastafari. Just one day